Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve your money problems now, without any hassle or stress. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, trust me, it's not. I've been using this method for a while now, and it has changed my life. So, if you're ready to learn how to make more money, save more money, and live a better life, then keep watching. The first thing you need to do is to change your mindset. You see, most people have a scarcity mindset when it comes to money. They think that money is hard to come by, that they have to work hard for it, and that they never have enough of it. This kind of thinking limits your potential and keeps you stuck in a cycle of lack. You need to switch to an abundance mindset, where you believe that money is easy to attract, that you deserve it, and that there is more than enough for everyone. This will open up new opportunities and possibilities for you. The second thing you need to do is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you spend and save your money. It helps you track your income and expenses, and see where your money is going. A budget also helps you set goals and priorities for your money, such as paying off debt, saving for emergencies, or investing for the future. A budget will help you take control of your money and make smarter decisions. The third thing you need to do is to find ways to increase your income. There are many ways to do this, such as asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, selling your stuff, or creating a passive income stream. The more income you have, the more money you can save and invest. You can also use your extra income to pay off debt faster or treat yourself to something nice. The fourth thing you need to do is to reduce your expenses. There are many ways to do this, such as cutting out unnecessary spending, shopping around for better deals, using coupons or cashback apps, or negotiating lower rates. The less money you spend, the more money you can save and invest. You can also use your savings to build an emergency fund or achieve your financial goals. Find a replacement for one large expense in your monthly budget. For instance, if you want to quit buying expensive coffee on your way to work, plan how you can replace this habit with a new one. You might buy yourself a new travel cup and purchase some coffee that you enjoy drinking and can make at home. Then change your routine so that you're not tempted to stop for coffee anyways, travel a different route to work. Your assignment is to find one expense that's taking a real bite out of your budget and find replacement solutions. Cutting back on coffee is just one example. What about your entertainment costs, quitting smoking, or scaling back what you spend on hobbies and recreational activities? You'll know that you've passed this assignment when all of your bills are paid up to date and you've got a little extra left in your bank account. The fifth thing you need to do is to invest your money wisely. Investing is the process of putting your money to work for you, so that it grows over time and generates more income for you. Investing can help you build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and secure your future. There are many ways to invest your money, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. The key is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and start as soon as possible. Find out where your money goes, track your spending. Where does it all go? Every payday there's money in our bank account, but it never seems to last long enough. Solid money management includes being conscious about where your money goes, and while it can be a little tedious to figure it out, this exercise proves incredibly revealing even for the most seasoned finance professional. In a little notebook, or by using an app, make a note of where you're spending your money. You might want to track what you spend on certain types of expenses, e.g. coffee or drinks out, or maybe tracking what you spend in certain stores is easier. Either way, to pass this assignment, you need to have at least 2 weeks' worth of spending information jotted down. And just be sure to track what you're actually spending, not what you think you should be spending. Create a plan to pay off your debt. Everybody has some, so is it really that big a deal? Yes, it can be. If you have debt that has slowly accumulated over a number of years, you need realistic debt solutions that work for your lifestyle, not quick fixes that you can't live with for the long term. At some point interest rates will start going up and eventually your income will likely decrease. When either of these things happens, if you have relied on credit to make ends meet, you will find yourself facing some tough choices. Dealing with debt sooner than later leaves you with more options. That said, many people delay getting debt help because they're either embarrassed or don't know where to turn. Here are some of our very best tips to help you deal with your debt. Use these tips to help complete assignment 6, create a plan to pay your debts off, but also maintain a reasonable standard of living. You will only be able to pass this assignment if your plan is realistic and you draw on what you learned in the other 5 assignments. Educate yourself and keep improving your level of financial literacy. One of the best things any high-level university could instill in its students is the desire to learn more. Any degree of learning from our mistakes is worthwhile, especially when we're educating ourselves about how to manage our money and debt better. Improving our level of financial literacy is always worthwhile, and remember, there's no sprint to the finish line, it's all about the journey. Your 7th assignment is to keep learning. Take on more challenges or homework from the School of Common Sense. Life skills that further develop your new money habits will keep you on track with your budget, help you avoid financial problems, and allow you to plan for your future successfully. And that's a graduation worth celebrating. And that's it. These are the steps that will help you solve your money problems now. If you follow these steps consistently and diligently, you will see amazing results in no time. You will have more money, more freedom, and more happiness. So what are you waiting for? Start taking action today and watch your money problems disappear. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this method or if you have any questions or suggestions. I love hearing from you guys and I always reply. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.